Good morning, children. Welcome to your online SST class. Today, we are going to start new chapter, that is diversity and discrimination. In the previous chapter, we read about diversity. Then with diversity, why discrimination is added in this chapter? Children, diversity is a very important part of our society. अब ये देखना है कि डाइवर्सिटी से डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कैसे होता है. लेट्स डिस्कस एन एग्जाम्पल. देयर इज अ चाइल्ड इन योर सोसाइटी हु इज नॉट एक्सपर्ट इन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. यू एंड योर फ्रेंड्स कैन प्ले क्रिकेट वेरी वेल. सो आप सब उस पर हंसते हो, उसे अपने साथ क्रिकेट नहीं खिलाते. यू ऑल आर हर्टिंग हिम. वाई? बिकॉज ही इज diverse in the form of playing. So you all are discriminating him. Yes, you all are discriminating him. Children, if you are not celebrating diversity, then discrimination may develop. This is the theme of this chapter. Now, we will discuss first topic, that is difference and prejudice. There are many things that make us what we are, how we live, what we eat. We eat idli or dosa or fish or vada pav, etc. The language we speak English or Hindi or Urdu or Telugu, etc. The festivals we celebrate Holi or Diwali or Eid or Christmas. India is a country of diversities. People belonging to different religions and speaking different languages live in India. In India, there are lofty Himalayas, fertile plains, the Deccan Plateau, and many other landforms. Children, do you know? There are 8 major religions in the world, and every single one of them is practiced in India. In India, there are more than 100 dance forms. We have more than 1,600 languages that are pupils' mother tongues. Difference and diversity are the same thing. Some are rich, some are poor. Some belong to upper castes and some belong to lower castes. Some are males and some are females. These are differences. And because of these differences, sometimes prejudice may develop. Now, what is prejudice? Prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. For example, if we think English is the best language and no other languages are not important, we are judging these other languages negatively. As a result, we might not respect people who speak languages other than English. Prejudice affects our behavior towards a person. Based on a prejudice, we may become unfair and rude to somebody. This unfair treatment of people on the basis of prejudice is called discrimination. Often our prejudices about others are so strong that we don't want to form friendship with them. Clear, children? Now we will discuss creating stereotypes. Sometimes we assign some qualities to a group of people, thereby forming a particular image of them. This image or belief about a person or a group of people based on the idea that everyone in that particular group will look or act in the same way is called stereotype. Let's look at some examples. Little Saurabh fell down and started crying. His mother picked him up and consoled him by saying that boys do not cry. Pinky wants to learn Bharatanatyam, but her father disagrees. A common example of stereotype in the society is associating dolls, clothes, cooking, crying, and shopping with girls, and associating cars, outdoor games, and bikes with boys. If a girl happens to love cars and bikes, we say that the girl has boy-like qualities. Similarly, if a boy cries, we tell him not to cry like a girl. Stereotypes are unfair because they prevent us from treating people as unique individuals with different qualities, abilities, likes and dislikes. Prejudice, stereotype, and discrimination often lead to inequalities in society. Now, inequality and discrimination. Children, if you do something to put other people down, if you stop them from taking part in certain activities and taking up jobs, or stop them from living in certain neighborhoods, etc., you are discriminating against them. This happens because of inequality. I have already told you that there are inequalities in our society. चलिए एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. किसी का कपड़े का शोरूम है, उसकी शॉप पर एक रिच पर्सन आता है तो शॉपकीपर उसका वेलकम करता है. आइए आइए सर, बैठिए, छोटू पानी लाना. क्या लेंगे सर, चाय, कॉफ़ी या ठंडा? अब उसी शॉप पर जब एक पुअर पर्सन आता है और शॉपकीपर को अच्छा सा सूट दिखाने को कहता है तो शॉपकीपर उसे ऊपर से नीचे तक देखता है और पूछता है, पैसे हैं? Tribals, some religious groups may experience both kinds of discrimination. They are poor and they belong to groups whose culture is not valued. Okay, children, that's all for today's lecture. We will continue this chapter in our next video. Bye bye.